Let's understand the holistic health Shastra. Why do Ayurveda divide body functions into Vata, Pitta, Kapha? This classification of body functions into Vata, Pitta, Kapha makes Ayurveda a holistic, personalized health Shastra. This classification helps in understanding, diagnosing, and balancing bodily functions effectively. Let's understand how. The Panchamahabhuta concept in Ayurveda states that everything in the universe, including the human body, is made up of 5 fundamental elements. So, what's the relation between Panchamahabhuta and the 3 doshas? The answer is, in a body, the 3 doshas represent the Panchamahabhuta. Each dosha, a combination of 2 elements. Again the question arises, what's the need to divide body functions this way? Here's why this division is important. Let's see a few reasons. The human body is complex, and Ayurveda simplifies it. The body has thousands of functions and multiple systems. Instead of treating each function separately, Ayurveda groups them into 3 doshas based on their natural characteristics. This makes it easier to diagnose imbalances and find natural solutions for correcting them. The classification into Vata, Pitta, Kapha also helps in personalized healthcare. Health solutions in Ayurveda are customized based on a person's unique dosha balance, contrary to the one-size-fits-all approach of modern medicine. For instance, an imbalance in Vata dosha may cause symptoms like dry skin, constipation, anxiety, etc., which can be corrected greatly by following only a diet and lifestyle that balances Vata, which is why Ayurveda strictly advises Pathya for every disease condition. Another concept that needs to be understood is Deha Prakriti. Deha Prakriti refers to an individual's unique body constitution, which is determined by the predominance of the 3 doshas. It helps in understanding an individual's physical, mental, and emotional traits, as well as their health tendencies and disease susceptibility. Knowing one's Prakriti allows for a personalized approach to diet, lifestyle, and healthcare. Let's learn more about Ayurveda in the coming videos. Love yourself. Thank you.